Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Are you ready to take your muscle building and strength gains to the next level? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to discuss the 12 best foods for muscle building and strength. Proper nutrition plays a vital role in maximizing your fitness potential, so let's get started. Number 1. Chicken breast. High in protein and low in fat, chicken breast is a go-to food for muscle building. It provides essential amino acids for muscle repair and growth. Number 2. Salmon. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, salmon not only supports muscle recovery but also reduces inflammation and boosts overall strength. Number 3. Greek yogurt. Rich in protein and calcium, Greek yogurt is a fantastic choice for muscle-building snacks. The probiotics it contains also aid in digestion and nutrient absorption. Number 4. Quinoa. As a complete protein source, quinoa provides all essential amino acids. Its high fiber and complex carbohydrate content offers sustained energy for intense workouts. Number 5. Eggs. Eggs are protein powerhouses, packed with vitamins and minerals. The yolk, in particular, contains healthy fats and vitamin D, which are crucial for muscle function. Number 6. Almonds. These nuts are loaded with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. With vitamin E as an added bonus, almonds aid in muscle recovery and reduce exercise-induced damage. Number 7. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Its iron and magnesium content supports muscle function and strength. Number 8. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is rich in protein and contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady supply of amino acids for muscle repair. Number 9. Sweet potatoes. These nutrient-dense carbohydrates are excellent for muscle recovery and glycogen replenishment. They're also rich in vitamins A and C, supporting overall health. Number 10. Blueberries. Packed with antioxidants, blueberries help combat oxidative stress caused by exercise. Their promotion of blood flow also aids in muscle recovery. Number 11. Oats. A great source of complex carbohydrates, oats provide sustained energy and support muscle growth. They also contain fiber and various vitamins and minerals. Number 12. Greek yogurt and berries. Combining the protein-rich Greek yogurt with antioxidant-packed berries creates a delicious and powerful muscle-building snack. And there you have it, the 12 best foods for muscle building and strength. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet, along with a solid training regimen, will help you achieve your fitness goals. So, fuel your body with the right nutrients and keep pushing yourself to new heights.